Welcome. This video will guide you through the instructions for using the Canine Parvovirus, Coronavirus, and Giardia Antigen Combo Test Kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. To start the test, place the CPV Giardia Antigen Rapid device on a flat surface. Collect a fecal sample from the stool or rectum using the provided sample collection swab. Next, peel off the foil seals from both the clear and green tubes. Insert the swab into the clear tube for CPV and CCV, stirring it well to extract the antigens. Now, insert the other swab into the green tube for Giardia, stirring it well to extract the antigens. Place both tubes in the rack and let them stand upright for 20 seconds to allow the particles to settle. Using the dropper, collect the supernatant from the clear tube and add 4 drops into each hole for CPV and CCV. Next, using the dropper, collect the supernatant from the green tube and add 4 drops into the Giardia hole. Then read the result at 10 minutes after dropping. Now, let's see how to interpret the results. If you see both the control line and the test line on the CPV side, it indicates a CPV positive result. Similarly, if both lines appear on the CCV side, the sample is CCV positive. And for the Giardia side, both lines appearing indicates a Giardia positive result. A negative result is shown when only the control line appears and no test line is visible in any of the windows. Finally, if the control line does not appear at all, or if only the test line is visible without a control line, the test is considered invalid. In this case, you must perform a retest using a new device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us by email.